Hey, Sneekylinux back. Real quick one for tonight. Well, that'll be a middly one, okay? Now, this is probably the last time you're going to see this OS on your screen from me. Unless something goes totally wrong next week. I'm all ready to go up on Ubuntu. It's all ready to go, but I've just got some bits and stuff to tidy up. Anyway, but that's not what we're here for. Now, my day work, shall we say, in the normal world, in the real world, you know, not YouTube. We've got some younger children. They're going to start using the BBC microbit. The microbit is like it's more of a microcontroller than a computer, but for stuff's sake, we're just going to call it a computer, a little mini computer that you can learn to code on or upload code to. Now, bearing in mind, a lot of these children have never ever seen, okay, this sort of thing before. They've never used it. They haven't got an idea what to do. We're going from year 4s here, okay. So what we're going to do, we're just going to use a basic JavaScript block editor. You know what I'm saying? You know where I'm coming from, guys? Yeah, of course you do. Okay, so let's go to Let's Code. I think I've done one of these before quite a while ago, but things have moved on since, if you know what I mean. So this is the basic screen you get. Let me press F11 and make it nice and full screen for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. A bit of orange juice there, okay. Over here is a simulation of the BBC microbit. As you can see, it's got loads of LEDs on the front. Well, it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5, so it's 25 LEDs, okay, that you can do stuff with. It's also got an accelerometer and low Bluetooth and loads of other stuff, but I'm not going to go into that now because that's more for older children, okay. Now, a couple of years ago, these were given away free to year 7 students. I don't know what's happened to all them, but my children are a bit younger than that, so we're going to start on this. Now, basically, we need them to find out exactly what we can do with it, because they don't know, do they? You have to tell them. We don't tell them, you show them where to go. So, get a basic inputs here, show a number, show LEDs, show an icon, show a string, which is words, icons, etc. A pause in milliseconds. Yeah, in milliseconds, okay, so that's not a second, is it? We've got more there as well. We've got input as well, where you can use the pins on over here. You can see we've got 0, 1, 2, 3 volt and ground, okay. Press buttons, compass setting, temperature setting. It's got all these stuff in it. You can even make music on it, okay? Even make music. There's your LEDs there. You can toggle and plot your bars. Radio, okay. We're going to go into that in another video, but I really want to show that one to you because we're going to do that in school. Then we've got loops, logic, variables, make your variables, of course, and maths. Not math, it's maths. Okay. So for you today, we're just going to do a really, really quick one. We're going to show 6 and 7-year-olds, okay? So we're going to bring this out for them. Show LEDs. Okay. Then we're going to go on start. Okay. Or we could do forever, couldn't we? Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do forever. No, we're going to do on start. You know what I'm like. So on start, I'm going to bring him over here. Now, if I just go like here, if I make a tick, like so, and in theory, that should come up over there. Can you see? The tick is there. But that's not very interesting, is it? Okay. But what if we could make that into something better? So if I go to basic again and show LEDs, okay, and we make that a tick the other way. So it's like a mini animation. We'll tick him, we'll tick him, we'll tick him. And there we go. The tick changes. Can you see? But it's not in a forever loop, is it? Now you see where I'm coming from. So if we move that over here, get rid of start, go back to basic, and go into forever. Now what's going to happen? It's going to do it forever, isn't it? Now that's more interesting for kids, okay? They can see the bit of code they're going to run, because you have to download it from here. You download it and upload it to your microbit. So what if we want a little pause in there, okay? Now, where do we want to go? We get the pause icon, don't we? We'll drag him over. We're going to put him in here, and we're going to change that to 2000. Okay, so there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, can you see it's got a quick change there? So if I duplicate that block there and bring him down, it will get an equal block. Okay, so it's got to run 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, because it's in a forever loop. Complete forever loop. So what if you want to do a smiley face or stuff like that, or use the buttons? So we're going to get rid of this, okay? So we go to basic. No, we don't do it. Input. On button A pressed. Okay. So we're going to do a little game, a happy and sad face. Now I'm going to cheat a little bit here, okay? I'm going to do show icon. If we go here and bring down the drop down, you'll see what I mean. We've got happy faces and sad faces. So I've got a sad face there. What's that one there? A confused face, okay? Happy face. We change that to happy. So if they press the A button, the happy face come out. So, what do we do for the next one? You bring it over. I'm going to go to show icon again. But I'm going to change that to a sad face, okay? But I need to change that first. To B button, okay? So if I press A, we get a happy face. If I get B, we get a sad face. So you can use it as a sort of mood generator game. These are the sort of things we can do. This is what we're going to start with these young children. As you can see, there's not much you can't do with it, really. And it really, really gets them intrigued, yes. Just like me. It's super duper. Obviously, you can press A and B at the same time if you wanted to. You can shake it, do something else. So if I go here on shake, and go back to basic again, we want to show another icon. So on shake, what we're going to do is angry face. Okay, we'll do angry, yes, angry. So A is happy, B is sad, and shake is angry. You can see the sort of things we can do. You can make quite a lot of stuff out of it, even robots out of this little thing. If you want to get one, they're around about £8 or $10. You get them all over the world. They're a good little piece of fun to teach you how to code and what coding is like in the real world. I think it's fantastic. And what I'll do, I'll let you know how we got on this week, and I'll tell you about next week. Super duper. Sneeky Linux out. I see you later. Bye bye.